What you're about to see is profoundly disturbing. If you're squeamish, please look away. Knife through arm is a professional illusion built to be believed. With no cover or hesitation, you press a solid steel knife directly into your own forearm, stopping your audience cold in amazement. At any moment, you have the option to release blood and transform their disbelief into absolute shock. Then, just as cleanly as it entered, you remove the solid knife from your arm and show that it's 100% unharmed. This is perfect for stage and parlor. Tailor the experience to your audience. Create a moment they'll never forget with Knife Through Arm.